probably not the color choice I would have done, but it's fine. This is fine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to apply a full face of makeup, but there's a twist because, as you've seen by the title of this video, all of these products were chosen by my fiancé. So there's some weird color combinations in here because he really wanted to challenge me. But before we get into the video, it would really help me a lot if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe in the button down below. So yeah, if you want to see what he picked out for me, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the thing is, I kinda sat with him and I laid out all my products, like each category, and I made him pick one of each, which he thought was very, very boring. But yeah, so I have a full face of makeup, and today I think I will start with my eyebrows and my eyes, and then I'll do the rest of my face. So for my brows, he picked the Avon Mark Gel Pot. I have tested this one recently and I kind of liked it. And he said that he picked this because it looks like shoe polish. Then he didn't pick an eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to use the concealer he chose. That is this cream concealer from Primark. I think this will be nice to kind of clean up my brows. Okay, so I will do this eye first and then I'll do the other one off camera. For eyeshadow, he picked the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and he said that I can only use these two rows, so I figured that's gonna be kind of a challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking this kind of turquoise blue color on my inner and outer corner. So as these shadows are very pigmented, and I'm gonna do something with a lot of color, that's why I chose to do my eyes first. So if I get any fallout, I'll just clean it up. And then above this one, I will blend it with this lighter color. And I can't use anything for eyeshadow apart from these two rows, so I can't use bronzer or highlighter or anything like that. So this is going to be an all matte look. And now I am going to lay some concealer on the center of my lid, and I'm going to use this lighter green. And I'm going to try and blend the edge with the darker green, just taking a little bit of it. Okay, yeah, this is kind of a good enough look. I'll then use a little bit of the yellow when I do my lower lash line and my inner corner, but now I'm going to move to eyeliner. And I picked this liquid eyeliner from Primark that is actually very good. Okay, I'm not very good at eyeliner, but I think it's looking okay. Maybe I could have tried to use some tape, but yeah, I think it'll be fine. And then for lashes, he picked the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable Mascara. I really like this one, so I'm really glad I picked it. So okay, I think I will do the other eye off camera and then come back for my face. Okay, so I am back. This is definitely looking very crazy. And for primer, he picked the Vitamin Primer from Primark. I really like this one. And for foundation, he picked the My Perfect Color, also from Primark. I swear that it feels like you really wanted me to test Primark makeup. And I'm taking again the concealer. I really like the coverage on this one. And then for powder, he picked another thing from Primark. That was the banana pressed powder. Okay, so base products look fine. And now, apart from the eyeshadow, comes the part where he played me a little bit. So surprise, he picked another product from Primark. He picked the bronzer from this Havana palette. That is quite a dark contour bronzer shade. So I'm gonna have to be very careful with this. It's quite pigmented and a little bit dark for me. But yeah, if you're careful, it actually looks nice. Okay, so it's really raining outside and here I am kind of looking like summer, but okay. And now for blush, he picked out this Kiko palette and I have to use the bright pink blush. I think this actually looks nice with the contour color. I do prefer more of a peachy blush. And finally, for highlighter, he picked a very good palette. He picked the Sof X highlighter palette, but of course he said that I have to use the purple highlighter. Actually looks kind of nice with the blue eyeshadow. Doesn't look very purple, so I'm kind of happy. It's probably not the color choice I would have done, but it's fine. This is fine. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my eyes and I'm going to use the same blue I used in here in the outer and inner corner, the green in the center, and I think I will probably mix the two yellow colors on my inner corner. Okay, I think this looks nice, and for my lower waterline he did pick a pencil liner. That is this one from Kiko in the color 11. This is a blue one. I think this really makes that lower lash line pop. So I'm just gonna add the same mascara to my lower lashes. And finally, as if this wasn't color enough, he picked the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Heroin. And before I put on my lipstick, I'm just gonna show you the fixing spray that it chose. That was this one from I Heart Makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my makeup. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's probably something I would never do. I think this lip color with the eyes are looking very, very weird. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, I mean, considering the choices you made, if you think I should have done something different. Then, if you think that he kind of played me a little bit with the color choices, then give this video a thumbs up, and it would really help me a lot if you would subscribe in the button down below. And yeah, I guess that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!